I'm inside a forest right now. It's called Waldau in Stuttgart. I want to do a crazy activity. I want to follow this trail all the way to the TV tower, Stuttgart. It's like 1.5 kilometers. So remember, black people don't do this type of activities. So I want to do it so that you don't have to do it, all right? So let's see if we can make it or if I'm going to get lost. I hope I don't get lost. So let's see what happens in the forest. Crazy, isn't it? Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's crazy, but it's fun. It's fun to do this. Actually, I love it. And it's not just me. There's quite a lot of people doing the same. But it's not a lot of people today. But yeah, it's actually fun, and I like it. Hi. Reality, actuality, crazy. Look at that. Looks nice, yeah? I think this is such a nice activity, especially on a weekend, on a free day, when you don't have so much to do. This is a good activity. Now, the challenge I have right now is that I don't have maps, so I'm just following the trail all the way until the end. But then there are so many corners and other trails, so I don't know which one is which, and there are no directions showing where the TV tower is. So I hope I'm going to the right place, but I'm actually having fun. This is so nice. Look at those dogs behind me. And those guys are so nice. I was just having a small conversation with them. They're so nice. Look at those humongous trees behind me. Those ones, they're so big. I don't know, the camera is not just, it's not doing them justice, but actually they are so huge. The problem of not having a camera is I'm trying to vlog, and at the same time I'm trying to navigate with the same phone, because I'm using my phone to do everything. To navigate, it's quite hard to do both of them at the same time. Anyway, we are going to make it either way. Quite crazy. I've been to forest before, but not alone. I've been to forest several times where I come from. But in Germany, I've been to the Black Forest, but then I wasn't there alone. I was there with other people, so it was quite easy. There's so many ways to go to the TV tower, but cutting through the forest, that was actually quite a nice idea. It was quite fun, and I love it. I think it's the best idea ever. Vlogging while having some fun, enjoying the breeze with other people. I mean, how nice can that be? That's so nice. In the nature, there's so many trails here, like this, that. Okay, look at that. That's quite interesting. I think it's a small chapel or something. Yeah. There's so many trails. This here, here, and here. And if I take that, it's like going back. I came from here. Then if I go there, I can actually go deep into the forest. But then I want to follow this and maybe approach the TV tower from the other direction. It's fun. Let's keep doing this. I'm not alone. There's other people there. So many other people doing the same activities. Because with this weather, I mean, what do you want to be doing? Sit at home, do nothing, or just come outside and enjoy the nature? I think I'd rather do this. Come outside, enjoy the nature. So yeah, feels awesome. I think I want to find a place, sit down and have my lunch. I can't find some benches. If I find one, I definitely want to have my lunch in the forest. I'm looking for that. I hope I can find a place to sit. So I did the same thing in Black Forest, but then I wasn't able to shoot videos that time. So I definitely want to do it again. Maybe with a car, drive, park it somewhere, go see some points of interest. Like there's a place I went, it was so nice. I think it was called Schlug Sea or something. And it was fine to be there. Like it was blissful. It was beautiful. I want to go back there again because now summer is coming slowly. So those are the summer activities that we definitely want to do. And thank goodness I have my driver's license because I'm going to drive there and enjoy myself. Yes. That's the reality. Actuality. I found a nice place to sit, a bench, and I want to have my lunch from Penny Supermarket. This is apfel something. It's like, I don't know, apple pie or something, I don't know. I forgot the name. It's a German name, I forgot. And then I want to have this martinazzi. It's like martini drink with passion fruit. It's like 10% alcohol volume. So if you don't drink alcohol, don't try this. I want to have these two together, have fun, then go to the TV tower. That's nice, yeah? It's fun, innit? It's fun. Let's do this. Tastes nice, actually. I love it. Nice. I'm having a lot of fun inside the forest. I recommend you do this. Come to the forest with your drink, with your friends, with your music, with your snacks, some water, got some water here. Relax, chill, let everything get out of your head and have some fun, because this is a very nice activity. You can see people riding their bike, enjoying themselves, families, kids, couples, and me just moving around alone like an animal that I am. I'm having fun. Make sure you try. That's my drink, martinazzi with passion fruit. Tastes so nice. I love it. I made it to the TV tower behind me over there. You can see it here. That's where I'm going. I made it. I did not get lost. Yeah. First adventure, success. There is. You see this one here? I made it. That's a TV tower, Stuttgart. The very first one to be built, and the one that acted as the benchmark to every other TV tower in the world. I made it. I hope you enjoyed. And as you come to the TV tower, there's a small restaurant there. So we're looking forward going to have a nice lunch or something. There's a restaurant there, and then there's another restaurant up there, all the way up. Then over there, there's a stadium, and there's football going on right now. Nice place to be. There is the TV tower behind me. See it? I don't want to go all the way up because I've been there before. There's a restaurant over there, somewhere over there. See there? There's a restaurant up there. So I don't want to go all the way up there because I've been there. Yeah, but then I think the ticket is like 10 to 12 euros. And then for students it's like 7 euros. I don't want to go all the way up. I've been there before. Yeah. So there it is, the TV tower Stuttgart. So yeah, that's it. I hope that was such an adventurous video, and I hope you are going to subscribe and watch more videos coming soon. So we see you again in the next video. Yeah, more adventures, more raw and filtered stuff on my channel. I mean, you can just follow my journey because I don't use Instagram, I don't use TikTok, I don't use Facebook. I post everything here, and it's nice things that I post. So you can just follow me or subscribe to my channel, like blah blah blah. Do whatever you want to do down there, comment or do something, and let's have fun together. Bye, and I'll see you again in another video. Boom. Ciao.